Hey, it's DJ. Welcome back to the Razor Company YouTube channel. We're going to do another quick shave and chat today. It's Sunday and it is my birthday. And today we are going to be rocking with some good stuff here. Today I'm going to be rocking with MacDuffs, Dr. Duff. Now you would think that because the Doctor, it's a Dr. Pepper scent. No, it's actually more of a cherry cola scent, and it's absolutely fantastic. Great scent here. For the razor, I'm going to be using the Aylsworth Apex Titanium, and this is to me one of the goats, if not the goat, of razors. And I got a second used Med Prep blade in there, Persona Med Prep blade. And for brush, I am going to be using my Wald Bloodline. Beautiful brush here with the A1 synthetic knot, and this is a beautiful brush. So let's get this started. I got it in my Thirsty Badger bowl here. Haven't used this bowl in a while, so I thought I'd break it out here for my birthday. Not much going on today. Yesterday, my wife took my daughter school clothes shopping because school is getting close here, and that's the last thing I wanted to be doing. So my son and I went to the local car museum, and we walked around there, me, him, and my father-in-law, and we had a good time doing that. Yeah, and that was it. You know what I forgot? I forgot the aftershave splash. So I will be right back. And I am back. Hopefully I can just edit that out. Anyways, back to the lathering. So yeah, so today I just decided I wanted a nice relaxing day. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna have a nice birthday shave. Got my family coming over to have a nice dinner with me, and that's about it. I'm not one to really celebrate birthdays all that much. My wife and family asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I said, just give me a gift card to the Razor Company, because it's one of the only places I like to shop. What better place to shop on your birthday than the Razor Company? So, lo and behold, they did get me a gift card. And I will be spending that there. And I got some things in mind that I want. So I will be doing that ASAP. Probably right when I get done with this shave. I could always use more stuff. Who couldn't use more stuff, right? Oh, this MacDuff soap. Absolutely fantastic. So what's everybody else up to today? How's everybody else doing on this fine Sunday? Leave a comment below if you've used this scent before, or if you've used the Aylsworth razor, the TI Apex. Let's get the shave going here. Got my Cube 2.0, the non-mentholated version because I wasn't paying attention. Not big for menthol, but I do love the mentholated Cube. Gives just enough of that mentholated kick that you need. Not too much though. But that's okay. I deal with it. Alrighty. Oh yeah. This brush. Absolutely fantastic. With this base. You can't beat that. Beautiful. All right, first pass, Apex TI. This razor is so smooth. And I've shaved with so many razors that are more expensive and more price tag. And I have not had one that shaves better than this. I've had a few come close. And honestly, all my best shavers are not overly expensive ones. They're all under the $250 mark. And you got some razors out there that go for $300, $400, $500. There's one out there that's like $1,000. But this thing is fantastic. Let's get lather up for pass 2. And even if you can't afford the titanium, the stainless steel, chef's kiss. And the price you pay for that, for a stainless steel razor and the shave you get, absolutely stunning. Getting back to the soap though, if you haven't tried Dr. Duff's from MacDuffs, and you are a fan of cherry cola to be exact, I highly recommend it. Sean always produces great scents that you can pick up from TRC, the razor company. All right, second pass across the grade. You know, for anybody out there who their spouse is into the shaving hobby that is watching this, for their birthdays, if you don't know what to get them, get them a gift card to the razor company. I can promise you they will not be disappointed. I know I never am. And I think that's what I ask for every birthday and Father's Day now. I'll even ask for one on Christmas. Why not? You can never have too much shaving gear. Well, you probably could, but why would you want to? Let's get lathered up for pass 3. This brush was so soft. All right, against the grain. Alrighty, feels pretty good here. Let's get a few stragglers here. Go ahead and get these. Look at that lather. That's a MacDuffs lather for you. I think that's it. Great shave. Let me rinse off here and come back with a post shave. Beautiful shave. All right. And that'll be it for the shave today. Thank you again. Again, check out therazorcompany.com where you can get most of these products. Come and see us again. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.